the takeaway? What's the advice? It occurs to me, and I'll just throw one out there. What I'm learning is that just because I went out there to three carriers with my independent insurance advisor, three carriers ranged from 12 to 20,000, doesn't mean one of them's going to be out of the market next year. I should be repricing this every year or two.
I would say shop for your broker. Uh, don't just Google it. Don't just chat GPT it. Talk to people you know and trust that maybe sort of in your have sort of a profile that looks a little bit like yours. Um, do you like who you're working with? What's their level of professionalism? How thorough are they being? And then let your broker shop for the insurance. Um, People that have these kinds of assets to protect, it's because they're spending all of their time doing something else, typically very successfully, either in their career, with their families, wherever it is. All I do every day is help people structure their insurance and make sure they got the very best product at the most efficient price.
And should I be asking my broker, hey, do we need to reprice this? Or is my broker supposed to be proactive and say, hey, it's about time we shopped this around, we looked around.
I would say the latter for sure. We do it proactively with our clients. Every year, they get a coverage summary and a year-over-year comparison between expiring premiums and renewal premiums. And we talk about what the overall market looks like, and we talk about what it looks like with their specific program. And if they're up 15%, they're getting remarketed before that call is even scheduled. And I say, hey, here's what it looks like this year. By the way, you're up more than I'd like to see. Here's what else is out there. Um, that should be happening. And if it's not happening, then you may have to do some shopping, but I wouldn't say for insurance. I would say maybe for a new broker.
And Bernice, what advice do you have for me?
Um, so earlier on, we talked about what keeps our clients or members up at night, and I would say underinsuring is a big deal. So I just want to make sure that people really think about and understand what they have in their home. We've seen massive increases in collections, especially in the pandemic, and sometimes people have no idea that that collection of baseball cards is now worth a lot more.
That's
Roberto,
good.
did you catch that 20% of her customers buy a house every year? Can I give you my card, by
That's
the way?
over.
Many of them need a house. Roberto and I can help.
Yeah, we
Um,
we can chat.
this is a great show. I think we
Awesome.
have to do this regularly, Meredith. Thanks for putting it together.
Thanks.
Really great.
I've had a blast. Thanks everybody.
Very, very good. Thank you so much. I learned a lot.
Well, we hope
Awesome.
that it will translate for when you are interacting with your clients, Roberto and John. And definitely do not hesitate to pick up the phone while you're having those conversations with them in advance of the purchase.